In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the export bitrate and file size in Premiere Rush. If you're new to video editing or perhaps looking to refine your skills, understanding how to manage your exports plays a crucial role in ensuring that your final product meets your expectations, both in quality and file size. Once you've finished editing your video project and you're ready to share it with the world or save it locally, the first step is to navigate to the Share tab. In this area, you will find various options to export your completed project. One of the key areas you'll want to explore here is the advanced settings, which might be available depending on your version of Premiere Rush. It's in these settings that you can fine-tune different elements to get the exact results you need. In the advanced settings, you can begin by selecting the resolution. This option allows you to decide how high or low the quality of your video should be. Consider the platform where you plan to share your video. For instance, higher resolutions are ideal for YouTube or high-definition displays. The frame rate is another crucial setting. This allows you to control how many frames per second your video runs at. If you've shot your footage in 60 frames per second but want a more strategic look, you might choose to export at 30 frames per second to create a different viewing experience. Additionally, audio channels can be selected as well, tailoring the sound quality to suit your needs. Whether you have a simple stereo setup or more complex audio channels, these settings ensure that your audio renders precisely how you want it to. When it comes to quality, Premiere Rush offers you preset levels such as high, medium, and low. Selecting a high-quality preset will naturally increase both the visual clarity and the size of your file, whereas opting for a low-quality setting might make your file more manageable if you're dealing with storage limitations or trying to quickly upload your project where bandwidth is a concern. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to choose where you want your file to go after export. You can opt for a local save, meaning your video will export to your computer, which is great for editing on the go or when needing multiple copies. Alternatively, you might prefer a direct social upload, which allows you to seamlessly share your content directly to platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Finally, make sure to confirm the file name and the format, ensuring it meets all your organizational preferences and ready for its intended use. Attention to these details will help make your video exporting smooth, efficient, and suited exactly to your needs. By following these steps, you'll have the flexibility to create beautifully rendered videos that you'll proudly share with your audience.